Don't forget to check out my Patreon, link in the description down below, where we do exclusive content for videos that get blocked on YouTube, like Level Up Project 1, 2, and 3, Twice Sees the Light, Blackpink House, AT's Treasure Film, Blackpink's documentary. Tons of blocked performances are on there as well, and certain tours such as Red Mare, Red Room, Twice Lights, Twice Land, the Blackpink The Show online concert, Shiny World 4, and tons of Knowing Bro episodes, and so much more. Link in description down below.
Hey guys, Angie here, Baby Husband Girls Generation live performances. We have a lot of I think these are all actually Japanese tours. I could be wrong. At least most of them. There's one that's in Seoul, and then a couple that don't have any, like, it doesn't say a Japan tour or Seoul or anything, so we'll have to guess as we listen to it, because I can sometimes tell Japanese songs apart from Korean songs, but it's like it has to be certain words and stuff that I catch, because sometimes I'm not like fluent in any of the languages, so it's more like just if I can tell. But we have this is a Patreon request, by the way, so thank you to the Patreon requesting this. I really hope it's on YouTube. The performances are on YouTube, so maybe I'm fine reacting to it. But the Patreon requested this. You can request Patreon. You can do Patreon requests on my Patreon. There's certain tiers for certain lengths. And by the way, we just watched Running Man on Patreon. The Girls' Generation Running Man. Amazing. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. It was so good. It's the episode where what were all the members? Seon, Taeyeon, Yuna, Yuri. Jessica was there, and I got to finally see Jessica. Who's the last member? Yuri, Soyeon, Yuna, Taeyeon, Jessica, Hyeon. Yeah, it was that episode. We're gonna do the other episode soon, but no promises or anything for when. I don't know. It'll probably be this month, but we'll see, because I have a lot of things to watch. But that was the funniest thing. We also have the Knowing Bros, both the parts on there too. But yeah, we get a lot of Girls' Generation requests on this channel, and I'm totally fine with that. This is my first time seeing a live performance, I believe. Maybe I did one during an album reaction, but I don't think so. I don't think I did. But I've seen clips during the guides and stuff. But we have Let It Rain, Beautiful Stranger, Complete, Reflection, All My Love Is For You, Chain Reaction, Reaction, Fire Alarm, and One Afternoon. And they said that they added a few ballads because I like ballads, so thank you for catering to my needs. I'm kind of sad that a lot of these are Japanese songs because they aren't on Spotify. At least majority of their Japanese albums. I think none of them are on Spotify, but I have Apple Music for like a month or two still for my free trial from when Spotify just deleted every K-pop group ever. But I'll just have to make do with it. But yeah, let's hop into the video. First is Let It Rain. No promises that I'm going to tell anyone apart, as different eras confuse me, but this is probably around the same era as the Running Man episode, so. Okay. That's an entrance if I ever saw one. Look at that stadium. So they all must be pretty fluent Japanese at this point. Love their outfits. Oh, I expected it to either be a ballad or like a Let It Rain type thing. I don't know, but this is like a good middle type of song. I expect some choreo for this song, but I guess not. Like, it sounds like it could have some like cool choreo. Why is Sooyoung so tall, man? Neighbors, you're so annoying. See, this is so unfair that they have such good songs and I can't listen to them unless I go to YouTube or pay for Apple Music. Come in, vocal queen. Oh, I love when they sing together like this. Like when they harmonize, I guess is what you would call it. Cause it sounds so, like they sound almost like one person. It's crazy how in sync they can be with their voices. Oh, okay, this is catchy. Love the hair. Kind of looks like a wig, but ooh. Is this Jessica? Ooh. I'm loving all the ad-libs, queen. I want this song so bad on my playlist. This is a vibe. This is what I would call like a vibey song. I love the blonde ends. Very cute. We can certainly like eventually do a tour reaction on Patreon though. Like that's what I did with like Shiny and stuff. Yeah, the whole entrance in general, this was a vibe. Ugh. Yes. The outfits. These outfits are probably one of the best girl group tour outfits I've seen. I don't know. I like when you kind of have like the same concept, but like each outfit's kind of significant to that one member, you know what I mean? Like some will have shorts, some will have a dress, you know, like, but they match still. I always think that's nice. This was a good song. This was 10 out of 10 song. All right, Beautiful Stranger. 2011. Oh, I love when they do like these kind of rock sounds. It's fun, different. Turn this up. Oh, their outfits are always on point. Oh, so this must have been from... Oh, this is from 2011, and the video I just watched is from... It was posted in 2016, but it's from probably this. I think it's from this tour too, because was it Tiffany who had the short hair? Who had the short hair with the blonde ends? 20 years later, and I still can't tell Tiffany and Taeyana apart. I think it might have been Tiffany. I don't know. Whoever had the short hair, she has it here too. So. It's such an H sound, but I like it with them. See, she has the same. Hey, this choreo. Okay. Sexy. So this is probably Japanese too. Hey, move the hips. I like Sunny with that hair. She looks like a mom. Wow, roll the bodies. Yeah, it's a very dated song, but for some reason with Girls' Generation, I don't mind when their songs are dated because it just makes me feel nostalgic, and like I guess I like how they do it, especially because it was released in that time rather than like some dated songs that are out now. Are we about to do some crazy Transformer stuff? What's happening? Oh, oh, we switching it up? Whoa, okay. Someone didn't clean the glass, but you know, it's cool, it's cool. Are we just being sexy? Oh, shoot. Oh, we have batons? This is kinky. I love it. That's probably really fun. I like their stage. It's very interactive. SM does it so different. Like so far I've reacted to Red Velvet and Shiny's tours and they're so fun. Like, and I've seen a lot of tours, but I guess maybe SM just has better production or something. They have such cool themed stages and stuff. Like this is so cool. And they didn't do much. They just kind of hit against the glass, but it's still fun. It's different. So you don't have to go all out to have like a fun concert. I like that. I like that. Once again, the outfit's on point. They have such good stage presence. Hey, seductive. No, I think it's tan. I think short hair is tan. I'm gonna Google it. We're gonna Google it after this because I need to know because she's probably gonna have this hair the whole time. Hips! Once again, another 10 out of 10 song. But we know their Japanese discography is another level. Hey. Oh! The legs! Alright. Okay, that was another cool stage. No, like... Tan. 2:30, is that Tan? Who was stomping? So annoying. I like that part too. That was the part that stood out to me. I need to know. Oh wait, someone. Okay, 11 seconds. That's down. I really hate my neighbors. I'm so sorry that they're so annoying. Is this Taeyeon? I'm confused. Maybe that person? That's not Taeyeon. Don't. Alright, I'm gonna have to Google Taeyeon Japanese tour. I spelled Taeyeon wrong. My bad. I know I spelled her name. Things get stuck. 11? Was it 2011 maybe? Okay. I feel safe. I feel safe. I think I said Tiffany at first. But in my heart, I knew it was Taeyeon. Alright, we are now aware. Okay. We are good now. We can at least have Taeyeon down. Because they're the two members I get mixed up so much. Now we have Complete. This seems like it might be a ballad. Yes. Kill the ballads. I like sitting on the steps. Also, I love Japanese ballads, so. Oh, I love that we get the subtitles too. Ooh, very, very pretty. I love her voice, man. Oh yeah, this was before they had light sticks and stuff. I think they have a light stick now though, but light sticks became a thing later on. I want to get their albums, man, but I don't think they sell them anymore. I think they're hard to get. They sound like one person here, I swear. Ooh. Ooh, I love that little ad-lib. This is such a cute song. It's like a pure love, innocent love type thing. I like that it's a happy ballad because I'm sad of sad ones. I'm tired of sad ones. I'm not, but oh, is she crying? Okay, go on. Oh shoot, kill that. Oh, I like when they get up. Oh, look at their outfits. They're so cute, man. I'm concluding they have the best outfits. What's that say? Does it say you complete me or something? Oh, they're holding hands. Happy family. Oh, I don't know. I don't think that was. Oh, he's crying. That was beautiful. Oh, is this a fan song maybe? Oh, y'all gonna make me cry because I definitely cry over these things. Y'all know, you know I cry over this. You know I get emotional. I don't like seeing, especially girls. I don't like seeing girls cry. Kind of hits different, you know? Like with guys crying, it's like it hurts a bit more because they rarely cry. But when a girl cries, it just feels like, I don't know. But I think they're crying because of the you know, the papers. Oh, what are they called? Why am I blanking out? I've been to so many K-pop concerts now. The fan signs, I guess you could say. I swear it says like you complete me or something like that, right? Because I did it for specifically for the song. Well, let's see what the comments say. Dang, no one wants to tell me. That's fine. Alright. Now we have reflection. Why is my dog barking? Chill. Alright. Now this is... Oh, this is for girls in peace. Yes. Hey! They have the best stage outfits. You can't tell me otherwise. Oh! Oh my god, Sunny! Sunny as a blonde. Sunny, blonde hair, my favorite. That's my favorite hair from her. It suits her very well. Can we all admit Yuna looks so cute though? I fell in love with Yuna from Running Man, so even before that from Knowing Rose, but cute choreo. Hey, with these outfits, you wouldn't think the choreo would be like this. You wouldn't think it would be so like, you know, you'd think it'd be more sexy and seductive, but I like that it's not. Oh, we have a little bit of sexy though. All the smiles. Oh, that synchronization. Oh my god, that blonde. I'm loving the blonde. The blonde hair is always a go. That was the cutest thing. I like this. Okay, the leg. So young with her long legs. We stan. She looks like a giant all the time, but a really cute one. She should be centered a bit more. So such a catchy song. Alright. She's into the zone. Okay, I love that. I don't see that much anymore where like you center around someone. I need more of that in choreo. Like just walking around, it looks really cool. Especially when someone, oh, it's so cool because like she's getting her little solo part. It just looks really cool. We need more of this. We need more circles. I like circles. Oh, that was so cool. The interchange. Oh, that was so cool, man. Oh, the way they just. Oh, I think it's my favorite stage. Oh my god, this is my favorite stage. That's cool. Okay, the hips. We love the hips. The water, the hips, the outfits, the circle. I don't think I've ever seen water at a concert like that. That's really cool. Her smile is so cute. I love this choreo part. I don't know why. Reflection. Reflection. Oh. Reflection. Reflection. That was my favorite stage. That was my favorite stage. That was really cool. That was really cool. Beautiful Stranger was a cool stage shoot, but I don't know, there was something going, and Let in the Rain, but oh, look at their dresses! They look like princesses. All My Love Is For You. What is? Cheeks. Let me see. Their dresses. Oh. Okay. The eyebrows, man. You can tell someone's emotions from their eyebrows. Aww. Holding her earpiece. Sunny looks like such a little princess. So catchy. The two hands, just like this, same. Oh! Oh my god. Their live voices hit different. The peace symbol. That was beautiful. Wow. That was my favorite live song for sure. Like, that hit different. That was beautiful. They sounded so good, man. She's such a cutie. I love Yuna. And I like the dresses. I'm telling you, their stage outfits are amazing. Wow. Was that the last song they did or something? Okay. That was so beautiful. Why? $2.52. Why are people so mean? I'm curious though. Okay. We don't like drama. Well, we love drama, but we don't like drama with our girls. So, chain reaction. I feel like this is about to be, oh yeah, this is about to be, all the colors and the dresses. I love dresses. They look like cocktail queens. Oh my god, let's see whose dress is my favorite. Oh. This might be it. But I was really liking this one too. Let me know who, oh, that orange one. The orange one. Okay, let's go back. Which one's your favorite? Mine's the orange. I couldn't tell who it was yet. Oh, that. Oh! Of course, my queen's on. The garter. Oh! Turn this up. Okay. This is my favorite. Dun, 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 dun. We need a collaboration with Girls' Generation and Lady Gaga. Oh my god, that was really cool. I wish, why did they choose that angle? That kind of made me mad. I hate camera angles like this. That's such a cool part of the choreo, and y'all just gave us the worst angle of it. Okay. This has to be my favorite choreo from them so far. We're like not even halfway through the discography, but... Hey! Y'all saw Sunny? Or not Sunny. Who's wearing the red? I thought it was orange. I can't tell. Oh my god. Okay, who is doing this camera angle? Because they're cutting away at such cool parts, man. We gotta watch that again, because that was really cool. I love the whole sequence. They're like, okay. Like, why'd you cut so frantically? I wanted to see the whole thing. Oh, right. Oh, shoot. This is art. Like, everything about this. The song, the outfits, the stage, the choreo. I want to see more. Like, hey. Like that part. I need to see, like, more stages of this. What better can work? Because I would like just... Do they have a... I don't think they've had many dance practices. Or any. Do they have any? They might have some for new ones. Hey! But I would like to see, like, a dance practice of this, if they ever had one. That was art. Watch out, like that. Oh, that was so cool. That went by way too fast. I would like that one to be like 4 minutes long. That was so cool. That went way too fast. I'm kind of sad about it. That was my favorite. I say this each time, but we'll keep saying it because it only gets better. Oh, that's not loud. The outfits! The outfits! This is from Seoul. Get a girl who can do both. Cocktail dresses and, like, army outfits. Y'all see what I mean about the camera work? That's trash. Why they not zoom there? The blue hair. Hey. Yuna just looks really cute in her outfit. Oh. Rewind. I did not expect that move. Hey, okay. Alright. I've been seduced. Why is their choreo is so interesting compared to like, well, it always is like that. Like the B-sides choreo can sometimes be like so much cooler than like the title tracks. I don't know. Obviously these songs are also just kind of different styles than most of their title tracks, at least, because they do experiment with a lot of their title tracks, to be honest. Like Run Over Run, nothing like G and stuff. But it just feels so like, I'm wondering if maybe they have different choreographers for their B-sides. I'm so intrigued by that, like, because it also just feels different. Like a lot of their B-sides just, it has like, it's like someone else worked on it, because a lot of times choreographers have like signature moves that they add and stuff, and I'm not seeing any overlay. But also maybe it's the same person and they just have a file of just like different stuff. Okay. I swear Sunny always has like different hair. Oh, the wink. We've been given the wink. Hey! Me with bangs, like. Vocals. The bob, man, I can't. It's so interesting on her. Oh, are we gonna get a dance break? We're gonna get a dance break. Hey, go back. Let's prepare for the dance break. Hey. Oh, I thought we were getting more. But that's still cool. Once again, bad camera work though. Who's doing this? It's not bad, but just every time I want to see something, they don't show it. She looks tired. Can't deny, she looks a little tired. This is probably a very tiring tour. Hey, Sunny throws it back so hard. Like, chill. Why is she like that? I love her. I love how they're like Girls' Generation and Taeyeon. Like she's not in it. Like, I get what this person means though. It's like, that's what I say, it's the same thing. Like, yes, I agree, but it just feels different. I'm gonna do, I think tomorrow I might do, I've said this in another video that I wanted to like put a bunch of their solos in like one video. So like if anyone has mini albums like Taeyeon and Tiffany and stuff, then I'll add those in. And then for those who don't, I'll like add like at least a dance or something that they do. Like I don't think Sooyoung has, I know she has probably like OSTs and stuff, but yes, Yuna, I love Yuna. I'm in love with Yuna. We can't deny. Alright, last song, One Afternoon. But yeah, I'll probably do that solo thing because I want to, and it'll help a lot to see them alone too. The outfits. Beautiful. I'm so in love with their fashion. They look so beautiful. Well, her hair, this is probably my favorite hair on her right now. Blonde. Oh, oh, that mic too. It's like elevator music with them singing on it, and I love it. Is this about Jessica? Trying to count. I think so. Or maybe a member is missing because they're sick. I don't know. Is that Jessica? Someone's missing. Oh! That hair, baby. What would they do? What would they do to your hair? I'm so sorry. This is so jazzy. Why is she doing it alone? Someone join. Yes. Come on, y'all. My queen. Oh my god. Oh, that eyeliner. Very suitable. I think it looks nice on her. Oh my god. Such a sweet voice. So sweet. So sweet. Okay, I know I'm interrupting a song, but I can't help it. I really like their outfits. This is what I meant about like they're matching, but it's such a such like small details. Like you see, like she only has the bottom half with like the little circle metal clip things, and then she has like a full skirt, but her like top is only like a line and stuff, and then hers is like striped with like the circle belt, and then but her top is full of them. I love their stylists deserved like a raise. I think some people didn't like their fashion. I don't know. You guys let me know. How was? I actually no. They probably had a lot of. They're like models for like a lot of stuff. Was that Hayeon? The gloves. Okay, they're all going off. They're all main vocalists. Let's be real. They did my baby's hair. Like, it's kind of cute. Have you seen The Proud Family? The Gross sisters? One of the sisters was trying to be good or something, and then Penny and like not Lasyanika, Dejanay and them like did her up, and that hair reminds me of her hair. You know what I mean? The Gross sister that like, does she talk? No, I don't think she does. But reminds me of her. It's a look. I kind of like it, but I don't know. She always holds her ear thing, I've noticed. I think it was her last time too. Oh, I think these are props. I don't even think the mics work. I was wondering how the mics would work because they still have their headpiece on. Unless it's turned off and maybe it was from the previous performance and they were doing choreography. I'd have to see the order. But these might be props, which would make sense because it kind of suits the song. But yeah. I was wondering if that affects the mics, but I guess they might be singing into the mic. But then they should have done some cute choreo with the mics if they don't work. I know like a lot of people hate BTS, especially a lot of fans of Girls' Generation. But it kind of reminded me of like if those are props, it reminds me of like Airplane by BTS, Airplane Part 2. And it would be cool if like they did kind of like a dance with it if it was a prop. But that was so cool. This is from the Lionheart album. Okay, we may have to do that. This was so good. Let me see. Jessica's probably not. Yeah, because Jessica wasn't in Lionheart. I think that's her last song was Mr. Mister, I believe. So I guess whenever I do the Lionheart album, hey. But yeah, I think next will be the solos. We're done here. So I think next will be the solos and then the Lionheart album. But so you guys don't have to request the Lionheart album because I'll definitely do that one because the song's on it and this is a bop and I really want to listen to it. I never thought I would like love their outfits like that. I actually don't care much for a lot of groups' stage outfits. They're sometimes really boring or look like everyone else's, especially guy groups. I don't know why they're such trash. Like, y'all can do so much. I think SHINee's like the one group has like really cool stage outfits. Or yeah, probably just like SHINee. Sometimes Monsta have some cool stuff, but yeah, kind of boring most of the time. But I think because SHINee is because Key helps like design a lot of their outfits and stuff, so sometimes they're questionable, but at least they're trying something different and not boring. But girl groups, it's like sometimes they're boring or sometimes they're just like really ugly. But I think that's very objective because, you know, fashion's a very objective place. A lot of people may love a lot of guy groups' outfits, but yeah, kind of boring most of the time to me. But wow, because like, dang, I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it because I don't care. Red Velvet's stage outfits are like hideous sometimes, at least for the tours I saw, and I think they only had 2 tours. And I felt bad a lot of the time. They were like trash, and like they had some cute outfits, but like, you know how like there's some main outfits and then there's like for their medley of like their ladies' room and stuff that I love their like robes and stuff. But dang, sometimes they're just really ugly. Like, I cannot get over how ugly Dum Dum's outfits are. And I love Dum Dum. And I know it's like a costume, but I don't know. But Girls' Generation, I was afraid they may have some cringy outfits because, you know, it's an older, you know, some fashion hasn't grown into right now. But I thought it would be kind of dated and stuff. But they looked so good. Some people may hate their outfits. But I don't know. I feel like most people would think these outfits are really cute and stuff. I think my favorites were the one we just saw with the little circle things and stuff. Because I like how they were, for each member, they had like a little different vibe to them. And then the, where was it? Where was it? Was it Chain Reaction? Yeah, I think it was Chain Reaction. I love all their dresses there. I don't think there's an ugly dress there. Which is very surprising because I really was afraid one of them might be ugly. I think, dang, I should have kept recording. But I think one of the dresses, probably not my favorite, was like the, which member is it? I can't tell. Was it Tiffany? I don't know. But I liked Sunny's the most. You guys let me know your favorite outfit and your favorite song. My favorite was Chain Reaction, the stage, and I liked One Afternoon Live and All My Love Is For You. But you guys let me know your favorites down below. Thank you so much for the recommendation, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!